We're back for I don't even know if we have 9 subscribers anymore, but we're back. We got here today. We got this 2010 Mercury Mariner, not the 4-cylinder, the Duratec, the V6, 24 valve. All right, nice motor, but you know we're having some issues. It's kind of like a post-capillary venule bed, where there's a little bit of leakage of interstitial fluid, except it's not interstitial fluid, it's the oil in your 24 valve Duratec V6. See some seepage down there. So what we're doing? Well, we're doing the valve cover gaskets, the throttle body gasket, and on top of that, we're also going to be doing a transmission fluid change. Not the filter, just going to drain out the fluid and put new fluid in, so we can keep this bad boy on the road. That's what we're doing. Got some good content coming soon. You guys should stay tuned. I saw this 7 Series outside earlier, and I was just thinking, man, whose 7 Series is that? Straight out. It's gonna spill because of this cover. No. Alright. I don't know about this, man. Important. Kevin has placed me in automotive residency. What does that mean? Rather than just talking, I have to do some stuff. Right now we're about to release this transmission fluid. Not sure how this is gonna go. It's a little tight. I'm gonna have to get in here with this thing. A little ratchet action. Jesus. My skills are not the best. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Oh my gosh. Jesus. I'll cut this part out. Alright. What the fuck? Okay, here we go. Okay, it's gonna be coming out in just a second. My hands gonna get burned. No. Oh my god, it's so tight. How long is this thing? Are we on the right bolt? Yeah. Oh god. Okay, here we go.
Oh god, it's black. Oh man. That's not good. Oh man.
No, it's red. Look.
Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. All right. And that is automotive residency. Show you the progress we got in this beautiful Mercury Mariner. Took off the intake manifold, throttle body, all that good stuff. Now we have beautiful block displayed. Transmission fluid, it was a little sketchy at first. There was a lot of fluid coming out, but it's still dripping, probably about 6 quarts or 5. Yeah, that's the update. That's all we got. It's going pretty well. Oh my goodness. There goes the Duratec. Anyway, this is the intake manifold. It's pretty quality. It's a throttle body. That is a memorial to something very fond in our hearts. Anyway, we didn't tell you this, but the Lincoln exploded. Plastic intake manifold. What?
We did a video on that.
Did we? On what?
The manifold.
No, we didn't.
I know we didn't.
We didn't.
That's right.
The people don't know, Kev. Anyway, as you can see, this may be plastic, but there's no thermostat house in the crack. Solid plastic. A little dirty, but that's it. We're back much later. And I mean much. We get all 9 bolts off of this beautiful cover, right? And there's one, first of all, look how stupid this is. Why is this so close to the radiator, the upper radiator hole? You can't even get in here. Look at that. Look how much space you could push back. Good eye, Kev. Now let me tell you something. We spent 3 hours, trying to get this bolt out. We were about to just give up and just put everything back together, but you know what saved the day? RJG, man. right here. Irwin.
Well, specifically G-Man.
Yeah, specifically, yeah, G-Man, Gary. Bolt savers, or whatever they're called. That is what saved the day. So we're going to be able to pop this off now, expose the camshafts, get the new valve cover in, and we're probably just going to do this side, honestly, because we're just going to stay away from that. On a side note, we got a little frustrated while doing this, and we decided to go take a look at a clean E39 525. And it's looking promising. Might be another 5 Series on the channel. Beautiful camshafts. Looks like this Mariner was well maintained before it got into my hands. A little wear over here, but pretty solid. We just cleaned it, cleaned the edges, you know, brake cleaner. Now we're gonna get the new valve cover gasket on. Got the valve covers on, some spark plugs. Right now we're adding some Mercury LV. Apparently the stuff breaks down very fast. It's supposed to change it every 30,000. The last time it was changed in this was at 30,000. I know what you're thinking. What are we at now, John? 90,000. So a little overdue. Got this funnel from Harbor Freight. Look, it's like it's made for it. Perfect fit. You know, I love cars that still have transmission dipsticks. You know, unlike some of the German counterparts. But hey, nice fresh fluid going in there. Mercury LV. Basically done. Let's get a start up. Oh, we deleted the ram air. See that beautiful can right there. Put on the LEDs. No more HIDs. Fog lights. It's all glued down. Nice blue. Ah, what is that?
What's that?
I got some unfortunate news.
What?
Well, in the process of doing the Mariner, which was difficult in itself, we lost your 10mm bolt.
The fuck?
I know. I don't know what happened to it. I searched the garage, I searched outside, and I'm thinking it might have flew off on the highway.
How the hell fly off on the highway?
I don't know, I must have left it under the hood. I just want to say there's been a casualty and one of your bolts are gone.
Motherfucking a 10mm is the most common.
I know. I'm gonna make this up to you. Alright?
Hey, you're gonna buy me another one tomorrow.
Okay. Alright, I'll give you $10 for the bolt. Alright. Well, that's all I wanted to tell you.